Hi, my name is Yash Singh. I got a 96.89 percentile in CAT. I am a VITA 4.0 student. I joined Anastasis Academy in the month of March. Shankar sir has been very helpful, and this is the best institute one could go for regarding their CAT prep. And he teaches from the very basics and then proceeds to the higher level questions and sets. There are also previous year questions for us to practice, and all of them have good video solutions. And the portal also has enough questions and set, so one would never feel short of practice questions. And the solutions are not just textual, but they are in video form, so and they are designed in a manner that we can complete them in time during the actual exam. Sir also holds a mock analysis of not just its institute but also of other institutes, and we did not face any difficulties in doubt solving. Sir was always there to reply us on the Telegram group, and he also holds weekly mentorship sessions, which are very helpful if you are facing any difficulty in your preparation or you have some doubts. So, sir is there to help you, and because of all of this, there is always a personal connect with sir, which is something very good. And I have also enrolled myself in the Project Bloom of Anastasis Academy because I trust sir with all my preparation. And so, if someone wants to prepare for management entrance test, I would strongly recommend this institute. Thank you.